how to use social meta tags. Well, okay, let's say if this was fantasy football, okay, and you wanted the best SEO quarterback, might well pick Bruce Clay. He's got a link in the show notes, in that Google document, I should say, that's from the Bruce Clay blog that talks about different ways to use them. And there's Twitter card markup, open graph tags, all the usual suspects, even plugins that you can use for WordPress powered sites. So take some time to review these links, and you might just find a pearl in that oyster. Okay. Another plugin, not in this post, is from RankMath. That's a WordPress plugin that'll generate social meta tags in 4 different editors. Whether you're using the classic editor or one of the whiz-bang 23 Joule Stem Winding Wonder editors, there's a plugin for that. And I think you're going to like all of these efforts, and it proves the reach that your content has by having better social meta tag collection. Thanks for taking time out of your day for this episode of the Guy or Cook Report. It's a wrap.